English vocabulary. At the hospital. X-ray. X-ray. X-ray machine. X-ray machine. Stethoscope. Stethoscope. Syrup. Syrup. Tweezers. Tweezers. First aid kit. First aid kit. Thermometer. Thermometer. Defibrillator. Defibrillator. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. Prosthetic leg. Prosthetic leg. Lab coat. Lab coat. IV bag. IV bag. Hospital bed. Hospital bed. Ambu bag or bag valve mask. Ambu bag or bag valve mask. MRI machine. MRI machine. Microscope. Microscope. Antiseptic. Antiseptic. Capsule. Capsule. Inhaler. Inhaler. Crutch. Crutch. A doctor. A doctor. A nurse. A nurse. A dentist. A dentist. A pharmacist. A pharmacist. A surgeon. A surgeon. A radiologist. A radiologist. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Braces. Braces. Scales. Scales. Scalpel. Scalpel. Eye drops. Eye drops. Operating table. Operating table. Bandage. Bandage. Cast. Cast. Eye patch. Eye patch. Oxygen mask. Oxygen mask. IV. IV. IV bag. IV bag. Sling. Sling. Band-aid. Band-aid. Tablet or pill. Tablet or pill. Drops. Drops. Test tube. Test tube. Gauze. Gauze. Ointment or cream. Ointment or cream. Blood pressure monitor. Blood pressure monitor. Vaccine. Vaccine. Hypodermic needle or syringe. Hypodermic needle or syringe. Pipette. Pipette. Blood sample. Blood sample. Urine sample. Urine sample. Ambulance. Ambulance. Take pulse. Take pulse. Dress a wound. Dress a wound. Give an injection or vaccinate against a disease. Operating room or OR. A special room in which people are operated on in a hospital. Emergency room or ER. The part of a hospital where people who are hurt in accidents or suddenly become ill are taken for urgent treatment. Types of medicine. Painkillers for pain. Antibiotics for infections. Antihistamines for allergies. Tranquilizers or sedatives for anxiety. Antidepressant for depression.